Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take control of your finances and save more money, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 7 powerful personal finance rules that will help you build a solid financial future. Let's dive right in. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. The first and most important rule: pay yourself first. Before you pay bills, buy groceries, or even grab that coffee, set aside a portion of your income for savings. A good starting point is at least 20% of your income into a high-yield savings account. For example, suppose you earn £3,000 per month. Set up an automatic transfer of £600 to your savings as soon as you get paid. Over time, this habit will build a strong financial cushion. Rule 2. Track your expenses. Ever wonder where all your money goes? Tracking your expenses will give you a clear picture of your spending habits. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to monitor every dollar. This way, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. For example, you realize you're spending £150 a month on dining out. By cooking at home more often and reducing that expense to £75, you save an extra £75 monthly, which adds up to £900 per year. Rule 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Got a raise? That's awesome, but instead of upgrading your lifestyle immediately, consider keeping your expenses the same and saving or investing the extra income. Avoiding lifestyle inflation is key to long-term financial success. For example, you receive a £500 per month salary increase. Instead of upgrading to a more expensive car, keep your current one and invest that £500. Over 5 years, with a 7% return, your savings grow to £35,000. Rule 4. Use the 50-30-20ths budget rule. This rule is a game changer. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, food, bills, 30% to wants, entertainment, dining out, 20% to savings and investments. Stick to this, and you'll always have your finances in check. For example, if you earn £4,000 a month, £2,000 covers rent, food, and bills. £1,200 goes toward fun and leisure. £800 is saved or invested for your future. Rule 5. Cut unnecessary subscriptions and expenses. Netflix, gym memberships, and other subscriptions add up fast. Take a moment to review what you actually use and cancel what you don't need. That's extra money you can put towards savings. For example, you're subscribed to 3 streaming services, costing £45 monthly. By cutting one, you save £15 per month or £180 a year. Multiply this by other unnecessary expenses, and the savings grow quickly. Rule 6. Automate your savings and investments. Make saving effortless. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. This way, you don't even have to think about it, it just happens. For example, you set up a recurring £200 transfer to an investment account every month. Over 10 years, with an 8% return, this could grow to nearly £36,000 without any extra effort. Rule 7. Build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises. Having an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses will protect you from unexpected costs like medical bills or car repairs, so you don't go into debt. For example, your monthly expenses total £2,500. Aim to save between £7,500 and £15,000 in an emergency fund. This ensures you're financially secure if you lose your job or face unexpected medical bills. And that's it. 7 personal finance rules that will help you save more money and secure your financial future. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more money-saving tips. Let me know in the comments which rule you'll start implementing today. See you next time.